Well, hi everyone, and welcome back to the Weekend Hedge. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Sumit, and before getting into the weekly trades, let's get a few things out of the way. Right, so first of all the trades that I take, the strategies that I talk about, are based on my book. You can see that here on the screen: Profitable Hedging and Trade Management Techniques in Forex Trading, available on Amazon. The strategies and techniques are really available for free to all my readers and followers. You can also look at the other YouTube videos that I've made in explaining each of these strategies with a lot of examples. Right, so these are my trades, the way how I trade. So it's by no means um, it doesn't mean that you need to follow each of these strategies. Um, Test them out in your demo account, pick the one that works for you, and yeah, go with that one. In my regular trades, I use the ranging strategy. So out of the 4 strategies that I've explained in my book, I use the ranging strategy. And yeah, that's what I will talk about in the weekly trades. So let's get straight into it. Right, so today is the 22nd of June, 2025, a Sunday. So here on the right side, you can see the 2 strategies that I trade. That's the TWA ranging strategy, which goes for most of my trades, and then the dollar cost averaging. Right, so let's get straight into it. Starting with the first pair, that's the Aussie Swiss franc. It's the daily time frame that we trade on. We've got the TWA indicator here at the bottom, and looking at the chart here, we are in well, a few trades. Of course, the pair ranges a fair bit, but it has been bearish over the past few months. There are, well, 4 long trades and a few short trades that we are in. If you see the last 3 trades, they've been quite well. It's been choppy. It's been the price movement has been sideways. So yeah, let's wait to see how this pans out. But the good part, or the important part, is that all our trades are either ending in break even or we end in profit. So you can see that the previous two trade, that's the buy trade that we had there. Now let me just move this out of the way. That one is open, but that's on the 9th of June, the trade that we took. That's been put at break even now. And there's another buy trade which we have, which we opened on the 16th of June, and that is well, in the money right now. So let's see how that one goes. The sell trades that we had, of course, they ended at break even or in profit. So all good there. Right. So moving ahead to the Aussie US dollar. You can read my notes there, the updated ones for today. So currently in 3 trades, all 3 short trades. There's an old trade that came in when there was a fair bit of volatility with the tariff announcement, the beginning of April, and that one is still open. The buy trades have all ended, closed off in profit. That's this one here, which we opened on the 9th of April, ended in profit. Then a sell the 12th of May, which is still open. And then we have another sell, which is on the 28th of May, and that is also still open. But the buy ones have been all closed in profit or at break even. There is a new sell trade for tomorrow, the 20th of came up on the 20th of June. That was on Friday, so we will be looking at either getting into a new trade or continuing with the previous sell one, which is also at the same level, so it doesn't really make a difference. But yeah, all good there. Moving to the Swiss franc and the yen. So this has been a bullish pair, right? With the Swiss franc being quite strong. There is an old sell trade that is open, which is at the 168.278 level. You can see open since March or so. I will be looking at gradually closing this pair off. It's not ranging that much now. It's trending in one direction. So yeah, wait for the next sell trade. Yeah, make a few profits, and we will offset the old trade that we are in. The idea would be to get out of this trade now, or this pair. Moving on to the Euro Aussie dollar. So yeah, the price has been a bit choppy. It's been range bound, as you can see, between a couple of levels. There are a couple of old trades that have been open for some time since early in the year. If you would want to get out of as we move ahead, there's one or a couple of long trades which came in at the beginning of April when the market was quite volatile, the tariff announcements and stuff, and we are currently in a couple of sells. There is a new buy trade that is there for tomorrow, and I'll be looking at taking that trade when the market opens. As you can see, the previous three trades, they've just been there. They've not gone. The market hasn't really gone in any direction. So yeah, wait and watch on that one. Euro US dollar. Well, the euro has been quite strong over the past few months. And the dollar's been weak. So overall, the euro USD has been going up, with the euro getting stronger. Two open sell trades at the moment. We are waiting for a new sell trade to come in with the previous buy trade ending in profit. And you can see that the 50-day moving average, it crossed over the 200-day at the beginning of April itself, and it's been going quite well. You can see the gap has been opening up right from April. So overall, quite bullish over the past 2 or 3 months. Pound Aussie dollar, very much sideways. It had been going up till April. Then after that, it's really finding it difficult to get a direction. The 50-day moving average is well above the 200-day, and the gap it was broadening, but it's now kind of become almost equidistant, so or parallel. So let's see how this one pans out. We are in a sell trade and a buy trade. Of course, there's an old buy and an old sell, which is hedging it completely. There is a recent buy and a recent sell. There is a new buy trade that has come up for tomorrow for the new week, and we'll be taking that up. Of course, we're closing off the trades that have not gone in our favor at break even, try and make profit in the new one. Pound CAD, a similar story, moving sideways. The good part is that we have closed all previous trades at either break even or in profit. Currently, there are no new trades. We are waiting for the next buy trade to come in. And when that opportunity pops up, we'll be entering the market. The US dollar CAD, it's been moving downwards with the dollar weakening over the past few months. Overall, we have been making money on the sell side. We recently closed a buy trade in profit on Friday. And let's see how this one goes. I am expecting the dollar to strengthen a bit or recover from the slide that it's been having, and that will kind of help us to close off on the trades that are currently open. So waiting for the next sell trade, but in the meanwhile, if the market goes up, the US CAD appreciates, it would help in closing off our open trades. Right, so okay, let me just get a sip of water. Right. So the pound US dollar, similar story with like the euro US dollar. So the the US dollar has been on a bit of a decline, and the GBP going up. So the price movement has been bullish. We are currently in a couple of trades, sell trades. There was one trade that we had taken. You see this vertical line on the 4th of April that is currently open. There is a trade that we've taken on the 17th of June, which is open. The one which we took on the 30th of May, I should remove this line now as that one is closed at a break even. So we've been making profits on the buy side, on the bullish, when the market, because the market has been bullish. 50-day moving average crossed over the 200-day end of March, and it's been, well, diverging, right? So the market is going up. We are waiting for the market to correct a bit, and let's hope this one gives us a profit there. Okay, moving to the euro pound. The market has been choppy. The pair has been pretty kind to us. It's been ranging well. All of these trades that you can see this year, right from February um, through the spring and now into the summer, they've all been profitable. So very profitable pair. And remember, the whole idea behind this strategy of the ranging strategy is look at the pairs that are ranging and trade those. We are not interested in trending pairs. We don't need the market to go in in one particular direction. If it just moves around within a range, that does the job for us. Silver, that's the XAG USD, getting a new sell trade for tomorrow, which we will get into. Currently in two sell trades, one on the 4th of April, another on the 2nd of May, still open. Let's see how this one pans out, but silver has been bullish overall. It's been a bit choppy over the spring, but now getting into the summer, it's looking at getting bullish again. And the price does seem to be on the incline. The last pair is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Overall, a good pair to trade. All previous trades closed at a profit. We got into a new buy trade on the 19th of June on Thursday. And yeah, let's see how this one pans out. But just looking at the moving averages, the 50-day moving average, which is the red one, and the 200 moving average, which is the 200-day one. Looking at those, the market does seem to be sliding downwards, but overall still sideways, as the angle of inclination there is not that great. It's still a very acute angle, if you see here. So still sideways movement. Right, so that closes off the ranging strategy pairs, and now moving to the dollar cost averaging. So I really trade two pairs there. That's the US 2000, the Russell, and uh, that's gold against the yen. So starting with the Russell, overall it's been profitable. We're waiting for a new buy trade to come in. And also the 50-day moving average, which was below the 200-day, it's still below it, but it's been converging, so it's moving in the right direction. Let's see when the golden cross comes and it crosses over, but we're waiting for the next buy trade to come in. All good there. No trade at the moment. Gold against the yen. This has been a bullish market ever since, probably ever since the charts were made, right? So we've been making money on the buys. You're waiting for the next buy signal, which would come in after a sell, of course, and we will see how that one pans out. At the moment, no trade. open, and we will be looking at the next opportunity to come in. Great, so that kind of brings us to the end of the analysis this week. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you next week. Happy trading, everyone.